India, a land of farmers, boasts a perfect climate for agriculture. As the second largest vegetable producer globally, India's vegetable export industry is thriving, providing significant economic support. India produces 200.3 million metric tons of vegetables annually, second only to China. Key vegetables include onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and cauliflower. Favorable weather and multiple harvests contribute to this impressive output. India's vegetable exports are growing at a compound annual growth rate of 8.45%. With lower production costs and high-quality produce, the profit margins are substantial. Millions of people benefit from employment in this sector. India exports vegetables to countries like the United Arab Emirates, Nepal, Malaysia, and the Netherlands. In 2023, exports surpassed $2.1 billion, a 20% increase from 2022. Top Indian vegetable exporters include Giwan Exim, Mukund Exports, and Yuvaraju Agro Impex. These companies play a crucial role in meeting global vegetable demand. India's vegetable export industry is flourishing due to its diverse produce and strong international trade ties. For new exporters, Seair Exim Solution offers valuable resources to navigate this profitable market. Connect today for a free demo.